Assalamualaikum, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to apply eyeliner. Before that I'm going to put on my contact lens first, or else I cannot see if the camera is focusing or not. I'm going to use this Beuvue contact lens. So this one in the color Scorpio gray. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so now that I can finally see, let's start. Okay, so first, of course, you need an eyeliner. I'm using a liquid liner today, and I like to place my pinky on top of my cheekbone like this, so that my hands is stable and I have control of it. Then, to get a straight and perfect liner, I'm gonna start in the middle first. Now, I don't really like dramatic eyeliner. I prefer my eyeliner to be a little thin. So if you're going for that dramatic eyeliner, you can make your line a bit thicker. So basically just draw a wing that is in the direction of your lower lash line. Like so. Now you have to connect these two lines together. Just connect all the lines together, and there you have it. So that, guys, how I apply my eyeliner. It's quite simple, and this is my current favorite contact lens ever. I wear it every single day. It's so comfortable, it's so pretty on the eyes. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.